Future son, negative. Shoot to kill. Prepare to be wasted.
How did they get there?
Gift shop seeds will be a bigger stick, monkey. Magic, please. Nothing but noise.
Knight 60.
And this. Future son, negative. Shoot to
Just out of reach.
Shut up. This job does not pay enough for me.
Try to touch me, stupid animal. Eye level with my socks. Enjoy the view, short stack. That's gonna trend on knockout compete.
That hit was real. Do something. I wonder if I can get it. Stop!
It made me out cold before I could blink. I've got the cage on lockdown.
Let me out of here!
Somebody, anybody, show me the exit.
Get me out of here! Hey, Fuzzface has got firepower.
It's just escalated from 2G to 1. Monkey business.
Blunt force diplomacy come.
Dad, Bruce, beat down. My holy freaking flash gun.
I'ma whoop your ass.
Weapons hot. Light 'em up. Stack up. This stuff's laughing harder than I am.
I guess they cop culture, self-protect. Law heard.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called Oops.
That's enough adrenaline. Koala time.
Is it strong enough to keep that unit?
First time, what's on the stunt man? Oh, I repeat, catch fire.
Keep that thing away from me.
A swift monkey.
Code 1031. Primate pounding in progress.
Banana fingers on live ammo.
No go. Neutralize that all you got.
Banana peel sleep. I prefer face plant. Fun. Swing harder than
Clear the
that.
code. No survivors.
Okay.
Terminate with extreme prejudice. Weapons hot. Light 'em up.
Complimentary cable. Okay, next time we read the key hands and hands outside the big necessity for an animal.
That flop. By the power vested in me, I revoke your consent. Try again. That's enough adrenaline. Koala time.
Fancy footwork you can't replicate.
Back off, furball.
Down goes the tourist.
I have to get out of here.
That is too much for me.
The zoo called. This is bad. So bad.
Back up.
Makes a nice lullaby.
Go loud. Go lethal. We've got green light. Execution. Nice.
Oh, you little badge. Look, it's the limited edition human collection.
Law They're the new exhibit called Oops. Gift shop.
And I'll
Wake
floss
up.
with your
Please
tail.
wake up.
Badge boots. Beat down my whole help. I am an equal opportunity ass kicker. And again, I dare you. Put the intern in the enclosure again. He's taking more heat than himself. How did they get there? Look, it's the limited
I need a ladder to reach my level. Good for an animal. Plot twist.
I'ma whoop your ass.
I am an equal opportunity. Call a zookeeper. Meat stick kiss.
Everybody get
Metal meets melon.
take the shot. Center, mass.
Equal rights.
Switch to first. Drop the threat.
Get them out fast.
Yes, I caught the monkey on.
Shot just was. Please, get a medic.
Rock and roll, boys. Send it. Neutralize the hostile now. Like the.
Med, look, it's the.
I am an equal opportunity. I guess they got too close. Equal rights.
Terminate with extreme prejudice. Covering fire. Advance.
Bigot strategy. Scream and sprint.
Think I'll go watch the Tigers for a bit.
Move, please.
banana fingers on the trigger. What could go wrong? Hold the dentist us up.
Get out and face me.
Hope that main defense adds the damage.
Banana Breath are under arrest for breathing.
I guess they got too close to the bars.
Law says
I'm very jealous of the one in the cage.
cop culture, serve, protect. Serving beatings like
It's on the other side of the bars. Hold the trailer. Try to touch me, stupid animal.
I think we need to go explore a little bit because I've seen that there's a little something that I need, and that little something is clippers to shave Granny's head, bro. Oh, I see them. I see them, Grandmama. Oh, how do I get there? Hold on, I gotta look at this bad boy right here. Oh yeah, let's go talk to Grandma. I wanna ask her a quick question. Hey, Grandma, what are you doing? Grandma, wanna see something cool?
Time to blast.
Oof, imagine being outsmarted by a steel bar. Somebody kill the Warning. Let's turn ballistic. More heat than the savannah at high noon.
Monkey might chase.
Trifling and foolish. Flies down.
Miranda rights? Nah, just lefts, rights, and uppercuts. Stick.
Want security now. I should help them.
They are stuck. Get them out.
Eat gravity.
Crime scene starts at your fate.
That look fun. Dangerous but fun.
Admits to yourself.
Cinematic. Almost artfully understated.
Page inspection failed.
I
Prepare to be
Law says ouch. That needs new patience.
get them out fast.
Signed, sealed, and hurled.
Are they a part of the exhibit?
neutralize the hostile now.
There. That was two. Close. They're the new.
Oh no, they're out cold.
Neutralize the hostile now. Gun free. Paint the walls.
Tough.
Oh,
The vet needs new patience.
Call a fired. I repeat, fired.
Plot twist. They are the new exhibit called Oops.
Antique flea motel.
How did the animal... That looks fun. Dangerous, but fun. Try to catch this. Get that cake.
Polished job on my plate carrier.
I guess they got...
Get your Fluffy, but over here. Cut the chatter, fire. Bullet the thing.
Plot twist. They're the...
Roll, boys, send it.
Legal time. Are they a part of the exhibit? Stick kiss.
Look, it's the limited edition human collectible.
Catch or dodge. Your call.
Jump higher, Cage Clown. Gravity hates you.
Get out and face me. Consider this enrichment. Exist.
Somebody, anybody, show me the exit. That ain't a super soaker, duck.
8-1, tourist 0, fights over.
Full sprint, no stop.
Hope you like orange jumpsuits. Hostile spotted. Erase it. Engage target. Go auto. Go loud. Go lethal.
Don't do that. Get out and face me.
Ooh, imagine being outsmarted by a steel.
Yuck, no. Out of my way! Can I get in? Whoa! Somebody call help, quick! Looks cozy but tiny. Hope rent's cheap in there. Bonus room. Projectile banana.